Today is March 18th. So how old are you? Almost 4 months. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Yeah. Come on, hold my hand. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah. Are you turning your tongue? Can you turn your... Whoa! Can you turn your tongue? Show us how you turn your tongue.
The situation had changed 5 years after the invasion, and gave whether the success of the surge could hold. He was embedded with the unit that General David Petraeus feels is carrying out the strategy of the surge.
What's that? Is that the camera?
Petraeus in Iraq. They first met in 2003 when Tenet was American.
Yeah!
The invasion and its aftermath for the Boston Globe. He's the Globe's former Middle East bureau chief and London bureau chief, and currently works on a special projects team for which he's written about the difficulties veterans face.
What is it?
Home. But
Hey,
now that the Boston Globe and
Rona Mavi.
have closed
Good
their
morning.
foreign desks, he's leaving the newspaper business and starting a website devoted to foreign news. It will be called Global.
Rona Mavi, good morning.
We'll talk about that a little later. Charles Sennett, welcome back to Fresh Air. It's really